you have to bid something, right? You have to bid for particular amount on the basis of your budget. What is your budget? And on the previous session we talk about how the bid happens. The bid happens according to your your budget for particular keyword. What is the maximum bid you can offer? What is the maximum CPC you can offer? And your quality score, then your ad rank, and then on certain calculation you have to pay amount for per click, that is cost per click. Okay, so the ad auction is used every time and ad is available. So every time when the ad is appear on a search bar, when here we search for email marketing services, so the ad is triggered, and for this email marketing service keyword, the ad is triggered. In the backend, things will be changed again. The bid is changing again because the frequency for searching that keyword is changing. So what it says, for every time an ad is eligible for a peer search, the ad auction is used. Okay, in the backend, the ad option is changed and the calculation in the backend is changed. So this is simply like that. So now it's showing the how the ad option works and how things work in the backend. So when I search for email marketing services, and that the Google take the term email marketing and it scans entire its system for different kind of ads from different services from different businesses. The entire collection is just jump on the database where ads are created, and then using keywords it finds the relevant match to that. And once it finds the relevancy and different businesses, like I am running ad for the same keyword, you are running for the same keyword. So Google has this data in is the database, then it's the searches the database, and on that keyword relevancy it just it picks both of our ad, and using for quality score, previous experience of the user, and ad rank, it gives the position in the search result page. Okay, so this is how it shows here. Like on the back end, it triggers the keywords, it pick all the ads which is relevant to that keyword. On the basis of quality score, ad rank, it shows us the ad. And the Google system ignores the ad which is not relevant to the particular audience, which is not relevant to the keyword you are using, and which is not relevant in the perspective of policy violation. If you are violating their policy, they will scan the ad before showing to the user, and if you violate their policy, they will not show your ad. It is talking about the ad ranks. Okay, so only ad with a sufficient high ad rank may appear among the remaining ads. Ad rank is a combination of your bid quality and the ad rank threshold, and the context of person search and expected impact of extension and other ad formats. Here you can see the word is ad rank threshold. What is the meaning? Ad rank threshold means your ability to compete in the auction. Using its data, Google just scan through the advertiser as well, that what is the capability of the advertiser, and on the basis of bid, quality score, ad rank threshold, and the relevancy of your ad, how it is relevant to the audience, and how many CTRs, how many clicks you are getting previously for that email, for that keyword. It show your ad on the top, bottom, or any other position. The most important thing to remember that is even if your competitor a bit higher than you, you can still in the higher position. We talked about this. We talked about an example where your competitor, the other one, which is lower to you, will pay a higher bid even though the position of them was lower than you, and you are paying a low amount for the bid. Okay, how this has happened? Because your quality score was good, and on that basis ad rank was created, and on that ad rank your position is higher. So even though you are paying less, your position is high on the search bar, search page. Because of the auction process is repeated for every single Google search, each auction may produce a different set of results. And this was example we see on the previous session as well. We were just searching for email automation services, and for another two times when we search for email marketing or email automation services, the position of the ad was changed. MailChimp was on the top before that, but after three searches, MailChimp was lower, even though the keyword was same, and the only time difference was half an hour or 1 hour. So this is how auctions happen, and this is dynamic thing. The ad rank position keep changing, and the speed of Google database and Google service was higher that calculate everything, and they just show the ad. As a result, some fluctuation in your ad position on the page and whether or not your ad appear at all is normal. So the position of ad will be changed according to the times on the basis of these calculations. 5 important Google ad auction factors. What are this? Definitely maximum bid. The bid you give for particular click, the cost per click. For every click, what is the amount you will pay? This is the bid. The maximum bid you are paying, the chances of getting in the higher position is higher. Okay. Quality score, the formula used for Google Ads to determine the relevance of your ad and how helpful it will be to the user. We talked about this formula, and we talked about the formula for the price that will you pay. The ad rank of the person below you, quality score, that means your quality score, and sorry, your price, and ad rank of the below person divided by your quality score and multiplied by added by 0.01. This is the formula through which the price you will pay for particular CPC is calculated. Very simple. Ad rank of your below person divided by your quality score, and this result is added to 0.01. The effect of ad extension. We have seen that the in the MailChimp example, they use the ad extension for free email template, their support and pricing plan. So it gives extra information to the user. The user don't have to just click on that to search all these information. They can just simply, when they search for email automation services, and MailChimp ad is there on the screen along with the extension. So I am getting the enough information in a go. And I just, everyone wants to do things very quickly. They don't want to read long articles. They don't want to embed it. They don't want to go in multiple pages. They just want a simple thing. So simple and short things are can give you more conversion, that we have talked in the earlier sessions. That simple and short things, and these helps the user to understand things in a go without wasting more time. So this is how ad extension affect the position. And ad position, definitely the ad rank that is determined by the quality score as well as your bid amount. Ad context. Ad context simply means once your ad is shown to the user. Let's suppose if I am looking for email marketing services and I'm getting ad, and someone started ad on email marketing services, but their services is related to video editing tool, and they are just using digital marketing keyword or email marketing keyword just to become just to show their ad. They just want people who are searching for other keyword should also look in our services, and their ad will be shown once. If they have video editing services, video marketing services, and they're creating ads for email marketing keywords, once someone's click on their link and Google understand that their ad is not relevant, their service is not relevant, then it will affect the quality score and ultimately affect the ad. So what is the ad context? The context is your ad is relevant. Your ad should be relevant to the search query. Okay. And in terms of location as well. Like Google consider the ad context when calculating the ad rank. This includes search term, user location, time of search, and device use is not that important most because you are optimizing the ad for all this. And other information. What is other information? This is the relevancy. Your ad should be relevant to the solution for the people who are looking for. And for the ad extension that you can add, you don't have to pay anything. You can use this simply. You don't have to pay any further amount for the ad extension. You can directly use that, but you should always focus to make it your ad minimum. And if you are using the ad extension, then it should be relevant. It should not like you are just making the essay on that. You are making ad extension to show all the features you have. Make ad extension on the basis of important feature that you want to show in a go to the people. That gives the higher chance that convince the visitor to click on your website. Okay. The quality score, on the other hand, is a number between 1 to 10. We have talked about this. The quality score Google give us on from 1 to 10, and on that basis, uh, along with the bid amount, our ad rank is calculated. So, what is the main factor of Google ad auctions? 5 factors: the maximum bid that you will pay, the quality score, impact of your ad extension, how you are using that, your ad rank, and ultimately the ad context. Okay, someone is looking services for someone is looking services in Bhopal and you are giving services in Mumbai. The ad context is totally irrelevant. So this is how it impacts. You can write it down or just take the screenshot if you want. So what is the quality score? Quality score is the gatekeeper of your PPC advertising, and quality score is one of the most important factors that is responsible for showing your ad on the top of the search result. And definitely, let's talk about if your ad matches too many irrelevant and generic queries, your paid search cost will skyrocket because you are getting searches, you are getting impressions and clicks for people who are not intent to buy your thing because they are looking for something else and you're giving something else. And if they don't find any relevancy, if they don't find their solution on your website, you will just have to pay the bid amount. You just have to pay the cost per click, but you will not get any conversion. And this ultimately reduce your ROI, return on investment. What is return on investment? You invested 1000 of rupees in your ad, and after conversion, after the ad for the entire month, and the revenue you get is 5000. So the return on investment is 5000, and after removing 1000, your profit was 4000. This is how it is calculated. But if you are running ad for relevancy and the ad is not relevant to the public, they are clicking, you are paying 1000 rupees for the clicks, but the conversion not happening and you are just earning amount for 800 rupees. You are in the loss for 200 rupees. This is how ROI affects the simple smaller thing, the ad relevancy, the type of ad copies you're using, your landing page, all these things matter.